Who doesn't love a good Twinkie? These recognizable treats have become an icon of American junk food that certainly has built a massive audience. But do you know how this delicious treat came to be? Let's start in 1930, when strawberries happened to be out of season. At this time, a bakery machine used to fill pans with strawberry shortcakes was being unused at the Continental Baking Company plant in Illinois. So an employee named James Dewar set out to come up with a way to keep this machine running to make a little extra cash. After some baking experiments, he created a new snack made of golden sponge cake and filled with cream. Bananas were extremely easy to get in the 1930s, so he decided that a banana-flavored cream filling made the most sense when it came to overhead cost. Dewar named this new snack cake Twinkies, and legend has it that he settled on this name because he happened to see a billboard for twinkle toe shoes, and he changed the word twinkle to Twinkie, and the rest is history. When they were first released, Twinkies were sold in packages of 2 for just 5 cents. They were an affordable American treat in an otherwise gloomy Great Depression at the time. Twinkies continued to be popular in the 1940s, but when bananas were rationed and hard to obtain because of World War II, vanilla cream filling was used by the company instead of the original banana one, and that's how the modern-day Twinkie was born. The baby boom that occurred in the United States after World War II coincided with the renewed availability of common ingredients like flour and sugar. Continental Baking Company saw this time as an opportunity to improve and expand the Hostess line of snack cakes, and used a marketing strategy at this time that leaned heavily into utilizing comic book popularity between teens and young adults. But when television came along, Continental Baking Company advertised Twinkies on popular children's programs such as the Howdy Doody Show. Eventually, in the 1960s, Hostess would add ding-dongs, ho-hos, and other snack cakes to the Hostess line, but it was Twinkies that continued to capture the hearts of kids everywhere. As Continental Baking Company grew throughout the years, it was bought and sold by numerous conglomerates. Eventually, the company was purchased by Interstate Bakeries in 1995, which became the largest bakery in the United States. But bigger isn't always better in this case. On September 22, 2004, Interstate Bakeries filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. New company ownership in 2009 decided to rename the failing Interstate Bakeries company to Hostess Brands, in a last-ditch effort to revive the company by playing to the power of nostalgia. Unfortunately, the strategy flopped, and the company would once again file for bankruptcy in 2012, dragging Twinkies and the brand down with it. But an unexpected turnaround came when 2 investors took a chance on the Hostess inventory of well-known snacks, including Twinkies. They poured a ton of capital into rebuilding the business, and they also came up with a reformulation of Twinkies and other baked goods with the goal in mind to increase their shelf life, making not only distribution easier, but also an easier purchase for stores since they could keep it on the shelf longer. Rumors of Twinkies' return sparked social media excitement and media coverage. The product was mentioned on popular TV shows, and Hostess Brands capitalized on the hype with celebrity endorsements, campus parties, and even a Times Square billboard. The revival delighted baby boomers who cherished a nostalgic snack of their childhood. Today, Twinkies remain incredibly popular, and in 2018 it was calculated that almost 1.1 million Twinkies are eaten around the world every day. And there you have it. That's the quick history of the famous Twinkie. If you're looking for more quick history and interesting food stories, check out this video right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.